How to create a sales funnel. We're going to first start off by defining a sales funnel strategy. This is very important because a communication sales funnel strategy is a plan for communicating with your target audience. It basically includes who you are talking to, why you are talking to them, how and when you will talk to them, what form of communication the content should take, and what channels you should use when you are sharing it. So it's safe to say that a sales funnel is, first and foremost, a communication strategy. The best way to start off is by trying to define, in detail, the ideal customer that you want to purchase your products or services. Next, we're going to be installing a sales funnel template because it'll allow us to add an entire funnel strategy into another software account. And in this case, we're going to be talking about ClickFunnels as the software to run our sales funnels on, because ClickFunnels use a simple funnel sharing option. This is a really simple solution. It allows you to take an entire strategy and share it with one link. The templates use a one-click installation, and they can be quickly installed into your account. Funnels commonly require additional configuration at first go. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is create your own ClickFunnels account. That's free to create an account, but it is needed to install a funnel template. Then you're going to have a funnel template share link in hand, and it needs to be ready to deploy. It needs to be shared with you, and you need to be logged in, and then simply just copy and paste that share link in your browser. Hit enter, then you'll simply confirm and allow the funnel upload. It's as simple as that. The funnel will now be displayed in your dashboard as a copy. Next, we have to configure some basic settings in the funnel. Every time we put a new funnel into an account, it requires configuring the template to fit your business profile. Let's cover some of the most important settings to update in your funnel. You're going to need domain routing. In other words, you have to make sure that you point your domain to your funnel and ClickFunnels account. Next, you're going to want to make sure that your page path naming is updated, which basically means you're going to go into your funnel and make sure that your pages are named accordingly. Next is, you're going to want to update your email deliverability options. In other words, this is called SMTP. You're going to do an update and add your email software solution. Whether it's something like SendGrid, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or any other third-party email marketing solution. But it's important to make sure that you have emails connected to your funnel. Next is your payment gateway. Are you going to be taking payments on the funnel? If that's the case, go ahead and set that up. That means connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account or any other payment gateways that you might be using. Next is figuring out your lead routing and your lead alerts. Every time someone performs an action that you want to be kept notified on, make sure that you have those pages of your funnel sending out leads to your sales team. Depending on the needs of your business, you may need more configuration than that. For example, if you need to connect your funnel to a webhook or connect to your Zapier connections. Next, we're going to want to be able to customize our funnel content. This is important because you're going to want to be able to create a consistent, cohesive content theme. The more cohesive your content is, the better you will be at building brand recognition with your audience. In other words, we just want a general overriding theme in areas like design, font, colors, and the type of images being used throughout the site. First thing you're going to do is to update the content on each page of your funnel templates. This is where businesses have an opportunity to position themselves as a go-to expert or a subject matter expert and align their content with their overriding sales funnel strategy. And then finally, update any images and videos that are on the page templates. Next, we're going to want to send traffic to the top of the funnel. What you end up doing is filling your funnel with prospects by building awareness of what your business does with a broad audience that is unfamiliar with your brand. Essentially, you send cold traffic to people who haven't heard of you yet, and we send them to the top of your funnel. These are usually going to be your opt-in pages or your sales pages. Now, the top of the funnel marketing refers to the first stage of the buyer's journey. It's part of this process where marketers will spread brand awareness about their products and services to generate leads that will eventually become customers. This is also where businesses commonly use lead capture pages, such as webinars, event registrations, report downloads, or an appointment setting lead form. Taking the time to invest into a sales funnel is one of the most rewarding things a business can do for itself and its bottom line.